Hey there, this is Daniel, and I'm just going to show you a quick overview of the new MacBook Pro Retina Display, which was just released a few days ago by Apple at their Worldwide Developers Conference. It's been much anticipated and it's finally come to be, although there isn't much difference. As I mentioned, and you can tell by the title of the computer itself, yes, it does have a Retina display. Apple have finally brought the Retina display to their MacBook Pro range, not the iMacs yet, or anything like that, or even their big 27-inch displays, but they have brought it to the iPod and iPhone, the iPad, and now to the MacBook Pro range. Although the major difference is we don't have 13 or 17-inch MacBook Pros any longer in Retina display. There are 13-inch MacBook Pros still on the market from Apple, but of course they do not have the Retina display, so you can only pick up a 15-inch and 13-inch non-Retina display, or only a 15-inch Retina display today. So I'll just take you a quick overview of the structural differences of the MacBook Pro from the last generation. So firstly, on the front, you don't see much difference. It seems to have a little bit more curvature to it, and that's because it is now actually not as high. So it's a lot thinner, and it also only weighs in at 2.02 kilograms. I'm not sure what that is in pounds or anything like that. So first of all, this is what you see on the side. Now the major difference you might notice is, of course, it does have two Thunderbolt ports now. And this is for both screens as well as new devices, and I think they're really trying to push their products to have Thunderbolt. So maybe in time we might even see Thunderbolt syncing cables, which will produce high data transfer instead of the normal USB. Although we have moved up to USB 3.0 on the new MacBook Pros, so expect faster downloads from your USB, and I'm not sure if it would also be compatible with USB 2.0. I'm pretty sure it is. Another thing as we move down along the line of the side of the Mac, you'll realise we don't have audio in anymore. We only have audio out for headphones, so there's no microphone or anything like that can be put in. I have heard also we have a MagSafe 2, piece adapter for that one, so it's actually a bit updated. But the major difference here is these slots along the side here. Apple claims they do give a bit of extra structural support. I'm not sure how. You think it would give less, but these supports, or these little slots here, are actually designed for the fan. The fan, which sits just inside here, these slots are able to draw the air in, so it gives a better thing, and then it comes out here just below, above the keyboard here, just below the screen. So it goes in there and out the top. So these ones allow for both a new design concept to the side of the Mac, but also they form an actual part and play a big role in the way the computer works. Again, if we open it fully, the major difference we can see here is, of course, it does have a Retina display, which barely shows on a video like this, but also we have here the text MacBook Pro is missing. They no longer put the text MacBook Pro there anymore, and it's just a simple black screen. There's also a bit of change to the screen itself, apparently around its borders, so you get a more crisp look, but I'm not sure how that will really work. It was a crisp look already. So that's basically a quick sum up of what you expect with the new MacBook Pro Retina display. If you have any comments about it, or you have any experience using one at the Apple Store, or you've purchased one yourself, I haven't got my hands on any at the moment, then please send us a comment or send us a bit of an email, and we'll see if we can add some new information, or if you'd like to add some new information to our topics that we already discussed. So please subscribe and make sure that you keep up to date, and we have an iOS 6 introduction to the new software for your iPad, iPhone and iPod Touch coming very shortly. So stay posted. Thank you.